Hello guys, and today I'm gonna show you the top 5 best student laptops to buy in 2021. So without any further ado, let's get started. So number 5 on the list is the Acer Aspire 5. The Acer Aspire 5 at $600 is still one of the most affordable and good laptops to buy in 2021, and it offers some of the best value for money at this price. It is one of the best sellers on Amazon, and the main reason for that is the excellent value it offers. The build quality and design of the laptop is good. It comes in a metal and plastic combo build with a brushed matte type finish on the back and front that gives off a nice feel. Getting a metal build at a price like this is seriously impressive, and it does add a premium touch to it even at this price. Overall, this is a solid build quality with no flex or creaking and is quite thin and light at 18mm thick and a weight of 1.65 kg, making it very portable as well. The display on this is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel that looks very good. You get accurate colors and contrast, average viewing angles, and good sharpness. It is great for gaming and media consumption and should also not be too bad for editing. The performance on the laptop is one of the best for the price point. It comes with an Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, and the Intel Iris Xe graphics. This year, these specs allow the laptop to do any basic task with ease. With this laptop, you should be able to play lighter games without any issue and edit at 1080p. Number 4 on the list is the MSI Modern 14. The MSI Modern 14 is one of the best and most powerful 14-inch ultrabooks you can buy for $800. It offers everything from an 11th Gen CPU, a great build, and incredible battery life. The build quality and design of the laptop is completely unique from most MSI laptops, and it is a more subtle approach on a laptop from MSI. With this, you get a full metal body, and it looks incredible overall with multiple color options. It is also pretty thin and light as it is an ultrabook, and you can easily carry this around and travel with it. The display on this is also pretty great and includes a 14-inch Full HD IPS panel. This panel has very accurate colors, great contrast ratios, and it gets very bright and has good viewing angles. This panel is certainly very usable for editing, and media consumption is a very good experience on this. The specs on this are some of the best for a thin and light laptop, and it includes an Intel Core i7-1165G7 processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 512GB NVMe SSD. These are up-to-date specs that give you good performance on every basic task, as well as allow you to game at 720p and edit at 1080p and above. Also, the laptop probably has some of the best battery life I've seen at around 10 hours of runtime on a single charge. So number 3 on the list is the Lenovo Legion 5. The Lenovo Legion 5 is a cheaper gaming laptop here that is based on the same design as the Legion Wi-Fi 40 but with updated components at $900. The Lenovo Legion 5 is completely made out of plastic but doesn't feel cheap. The back has a rubberized grippy texture that looks great and has a good feel. There is also a large Legion logo on the back that lights up, but otherwise it has an understated look to it. The weight and size are probably the biggest negative for this laptop, and it weighs in at 2.9 kilos and is 26mm thick. This is quite heavy, but as gaming laptop it is understandable. The display on the laptop is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel at 144Hz. The panel has vibrant colors, decent viewing angles, and good sharpness. Video watching is a good experience thanks to the color temperature, and gaming on the 140 screen feels incredibly smooth, especially as it is a laptop. The performance on this is very good and is the best part about this. The specs on this include an AMD Ryzen 7 4800H CPU, 16GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. The AMD Ryzen 7 is one of the most powerful CPUs out right now, and it carries the performance with the GTX 1660 Ti. Both allow the laptop to play at high FPS at 1080p, and you will be able to make the full use of the 144Hz screen due to the CPU and GPU. Battery life on this is also a pleasant surprise as it lasts for an average of around 10 hours, which is outstanding on a gaming laptop. Number 2 on the list is the Asus ROG Zephyrus G15. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G15 is one of the best all-around laptops you can buy regardless of price or type. It exactly comes in at about $1,200 and offers incredible specs and everything else you would need on a laptop. The build quality of this laptop is great. This is one of the more thinner gaming laptops I've seen, and it looks great with a design that includes a textured pattern all over. The overall build quality of the laptop meets the expectations for the price, and it is very nice. It is quite portable and you should have no problems with the size of it. The display on the laptop is a 15.6-inch 144Hz Full HD IPS panel that looks incredible for gaming and media consumption. Color accuracy is very good, meaning it will be great for editing, and gaming at 144Hz is a smooth experience. The laptop specs are also really good and include the AMD Ryzen 7 4700HS processor, 16GB of RAM, a 1TB SSD, and the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti Max-Q. The Ryzen CPU is one of the best performing CPUs out of most laptops on this list and is very powerful for most multi-core and single-core workloads. 4K editing, graphic design work, and basically anything is doable on this with ease. Gaming is obviously great on this because it has a powerful GPU that runs games at high FPS at Full HD. So number 1 on the list is the Asus TUF F15. The Asus TUF F15 is easily the best performing laptop I have on this list, and it is also the one that offers the most amount of value. For $1,100, you get a complete package here with some of the newest specifications. The build quality and design of the Asus F15 is surprisingly good. The laptop is made completely out of plastic and retains a lot of the looks from older TUF series laptops, but really slims and sharpens the design to make it look much more appealing and fresh. It looks and feels less clunky than previous TUF laptops, and that also makes it much better for portability as well. It does have a matte finish with big TUF branding outside, and it still looks like a gaming laptop without being too obnoxious. The display on the laptop is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. In terms of colors and looks, this display isn't as clean as the Zephyrus G15's, but it is still good enough to edit and have a good viewing experience. For gaming though, both the displays are similar and are great. The specs are the main selling point on this, and they include an Intel Core i7-11370H CPU, 16GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 GPU. As you can tell, this laptop has every up-to-date spec you can think of, and it performs like you would expect. The laptop absolutely steamrolls through every task and runs games at insanely high FPS. Overall, if you're looking for raw performance, I feel like there is no better option than the F15. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.